Today we're going to be making our chicken patties. So the first thing you want to start with, into a large bowl, I'm going to put a half a cup of real mayonnaise. So you can also use any kind of mayonnaise you want, which is about the low fat, reduced fat, non-fat, whatever you prefer, even the light one. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. So mustard is going to be nice and tang with Dijon flavor. You can use yellow mustard, whatever you prefer. Now I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I already beaten 2 large eggs. Now we're just going to stir this around with a wide whisk. Okay, just to get really well. So to add something special, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Let's put this right into that. And we're just going to keep going to whisk all the way around. I'm just going to switch from the whisk to the rubber spatula. I'm going to throw in that I just already drained for the premium chunk white chicken. That's about only 6 5-ounce can. What I have, I'm using about Kreider premium chunk white chicken in water. Make sure to drain well. We don't want too soggy onto the chicken patties. If you have a leftover cooked chicken, whatever you prefer at home, just want to shred it. You can also use a fresh, boneless, skinless chicken breast that you can also boil it, get that little pieces. I prefer to use about the canned chicken. I'm just gonna break all the chicken. Make sure to stir that to get everything well. Try to make sure to break the chicken, all of those lumps. Gotta be clumpy chicken. Just chickens has been already breakable. Don't want any clumpy of those canned chicken. I break out really quickly. You can use your hands like that. I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of bread crumbs, any kind of bread crumbs you can, which is the seasoned, unseasoned. I'm using about the Italian style one. I'm just going to fold it in. Again, we're going to use the rubber spatula. That looks breakable for the chicken from the can. I spread it using with the rubber spatula inside. I'm going to split all those chicken mixture into the individual portions. It depends how many chicken patties that you're going to make. I'm going to use, again, with the rubber spatula, just we did the same as the crab cake mixture. I'm going to make 8 patties. Right, I just split it using with the rubber spatula for the individual portions. You want to take each portion of the chicken mixture. You want to form it into the hamburger patties. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly before you're going to get messy hand. Going to place it onto the cookie sheet, has been already lined with aluminum foil. I'm just going to finish the rest of the patties that I'm making 8. And just form it into this beautiful hamburger patties. I just place it onto a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, or actually I'm using about aluminum foil. And we're going to fry it and put it into a really deep non-stick skillet. Let's get you fried. Now you're going to preheat your skillet over medium-high heat. And I just already put a full cup plus 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you get nice and slightly hot. And sorry about those splattering. And I'm just going to keep moving around. Don't want to burn myself. You want to take each patty, you want to carefully plop it in. Now you want to cook those patties for 6 minutes until you get nice and golden brown. Making sure to flip it over on the other side. After just 6 minutes, but first you're going to flip it over. Okay, use it with a turner. You want to be careful. Don't want to get splattering the oil. just going to cook another 6 minutes. The total will be 12 minutes. It looks just perfect after 6 minutes to flip it over. The total will be about 12 minutes. When the patties are golden brown, after it's just fried, remove it from the heat. I already did that. You're going to be ready to plate it up. And here's the finish, chicken patties. You can serve it your choice as your favorite with the wedges of the lemons, some fresh salads on the sides, a bowl of coleslaw, or even assemble the chicken burgers like these. And you just want to get lovely tasting for the chicken patties, how savory it does. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Make sure to always watch before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone as always. So let's dig in. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.